Good day, Namibia. My name is Felicity Witbooi from Namibian Economic Freedom Fighters. NEFF being a mass-based organization which aspires to free the working class and the poor of Namibia from poverty, unemployment, and inequality. A radical militant movement that brings together revolutionary, fearless young people and provides an alternate vision and is the solution for a total radical economic freedom for Namibians and in particular for Oshakati Town Council, Oshakati West Constituency, Ngwendiva Town Council, Arop Village Council, Oshikuku Town Council, Opua Town Council, Ondangwa Town Council, Swakopmund Town Council, Windhoek Municipality, Okatana Town Council Constituency, and indeed Oshikango Constituency. NEFF is striving to build a comprehensive foundation by depoliticking the constituency, communities and development committee, and local authorities. To revive regional youth forums and formulate admirable coordination structures intended for strengthening the existing and create new youth groups for vocational training and self-employment opportunities, to keep constant participatory environment with various developmental stakeholders in order to harness and install capacity building services for our rural and urban youth as well as vulnerable members of our community. To fight for the availability of municipal services and non-service land for construction of low-income and needy persons' houses, as well as to influence the provisions of plots of NEFF low-income housing program for the needy people. The NEFF housing program has been undermined by most municipal leadership across the country. Research and promptly investigate allegations of corruption on municipal towns, land allocated to individuals with abuse suspicious and submit the finding to relevant authority for prosecution upon discovery of substantial ITO. Utilize and source funding for reopening and constructing new community water points in rural and urban areas of our constituencies. Source funding for construction of public toilets in rural and urban areas, as well as to motivate community health workers in pursuit towards household pit latrine constructions. Strive to public accountability, transparency, good governance by involving media and civil society actors and organizations to frequently disseminate all vital information to general public through media as well as through interested stakeholders, organizations, and community centers. Vote NEFF, vote Epaphras Mukulongo for a visionary leadership in constituency. I thank you.